Alright, degenerates of the internet who don't like to pay for shit. Today we're going to be showing you how to get Sony Vegas 18 for free. First order of business though, we're going to take a fat ass stab. Oh, alright. Let's get this started. First, what you're going to want to do is go to the link in my description. Click on it and it'll bring you to this page. On this page, what you're going to want to do is just hit the download link. Download it anyway. There's no viruses, don't be a pussy. Alright, I'll wait for that bitch to download. Alright, once it's downloaded, what you're going to want to do, show it in the folder. You want to take it, use whatever extractor you like to use. I like to use WinRAR. Extract it here, open it up, click setup, click that, run it. This is going to pop up right here. Click English or whatever language you are. Make sure you uncheck this box. You don't want to have this. Fuck their advertising shit. Click next. Just click next. Make sure you install it to here. Don't change the destination or it will not work. Click install. Everything is ready. Enjoy. Hit OK. If you go here, click on it. And that's it. She's ready to go. Start creating your content and plugging away. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you next tutorial.